find your Ulta Beauty Rewards member ID using Find Member ID. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial for that, and we should be able to do it. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, we can go to the sign-in page. We can open up the Ulta Beauty website directly and sign in into your account if you're not signed in. And we can look out for the option called Find Member ID. So let's just go ahead and look out for Ulta Find Member ID. Hit enter and we'll be finding this section. So we can click on it and we need to be signed in for that. So enter up your email address. First of all, go ahead and provide it up. And once you provide it up, you can click on this option called submit. And once you do so, they will be sending you their member ID. The option appears near the login members that your member ID is revealed. You can enter up your details. You will be asked for your first name, last name, email address linked to your rewards account, and find your member ID. You can just go over and view it. It will be displayed on the screen. Otherwise, it will also be sent to your email that you can view it up. And you can get a message from Ulta Beauty and your name matches exactly. No typos. If it does not work, make sure that is it's something like that. Otherwise, you can forget your password and access the account other way and save it. And once you find the member ID, you can just go over and take a screenshot of it. And you will need it for in-store purchases, customer support, and tracking reward points. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.